Okay, here we go. Let's have a look at a ship tonight. One that I've got up on Kijiji for a very reasonable price, I might add. This thing is a Sea Witch, and it's made by Marx in the United States, and it dates back to the early 50s. This one was bought about 1956, 1957. All of the decking is lithoed tin plate, screen printed. Look at the camera work here tonight. The captain and the crew members, the little drills that they provide you, the rigging, and some tubes of 65-year-old glue. All of the parts are still in their original bags. And then we move on to the other things. Yes. These, I have no idea what these are, but they're parts that go with it. Oh, they seem to be, those things. I don't do rigging ships. I was given this so long ago that, I was still at school. So anyway, there you go. Look at that. That's the masts. All of this is complete. I've never been messed with or fussed with. And there's boats in there. Look, boats, little boats to rescue you. This is the base that the hull sits on. The hull is preformed. It's been painted, and that was done by Marx. Romance, the clipper ship. Full plans. Yeah, pages of plans. Nice and easy actually for the age. I mean, you've got to consider this thing is decades old, and the plans are really nice and simple. So there you go. Lovely thing. A true modern antique, because it's not furniture. It's a beautiful Sea Witch clipper ship in the same condition it was bought 60-something years ago. The box is a bit battered, but so would you be if you'd been kept in a shed or a loft for 60 years. So there you go. I'm open to offers. Oh yeah. Now the sails. These are the sails. Now they are a bit old and they're a little bit crusty. But here's what you do. Okay, you get some really thin silk, and you soak it in a really thin white glue, and you just lay it on the top of that and let it take on the shape and dry. Cut it to shape. It's much more durable, it looks much better, and you know what, it's not that much money, but you could still use these if you wanted to, because they're fine. Anyway, there you go. Lovely model. I don't know, what's it worth? 150? Yeah, I'd take 150, maybe a little less. So there you go then, have a nice night, and tune in to the next wonderful low budget video.